Good morning, dear students. In our previous class, we have learned about the update and delete command and insert command. Today, we will learn about the select command. Select command is used to allow you to make queries on the database. A query is a command that is given to produce certain specified information from the database table. It can be used to retrieve a subset of rows and columns from one or more tables. All in all, we can say that select command is used to retrieve the data from the table. Okay. Now, quickly I will open my SQL command line. Here I will directly use the RAM database, and I know my table name is RAM. Select star from RAM. Okay, this is the one way of using a select command. This command is telling us, this star is telling means all the values. This command is telling us that I want to select all the values from the RAM. That's why it is showing the retrieving the all the values of the RAM. Now what if I want to show a particular values like only name and roll number? Then I will do it by using that command select name and roll number from RAM. Okay, now only two value will be shown, name and roll number. Here I want to what if I want to change the order also? I want roll number will come first, then name will come. So I will write the command select roll number, then then name from RAM. If I write command in that way, then you can see the order is changed. So this is how we can rearrange the select command as well. Okay, now you can see that to display the all record, I will have a command select star from student. Okay, now if I want to see a particular column, then my command is select roll number from the student. Okay, if I want to rearrange, my command is select name, phone, roll number, date of birth, address, and from students. Okay, all three command I have already told you. Now next is selecting specific rows by using where clause. Okay, now what if I want to see any particular row? Let us suppose I want to see only roll number 81. Then my command will be select star from RAM where roll number is 81. Okay, I want to see who is roll number 81. Select star from RAM where roll number equals to 81. Okay, so here you can find the detail. Roll number 81 belongs to Geeta. She is in class 12th and her section is orange. Okay, so this is how we can see a particular entry, particular row by using a select command. Okay, now next is to perform simple calculation. Now there is to perform calculation, you may either write an expression with select or use table dual. Dual is a dummy table. Okay, it is a dummy table which contain one row and one column provided by MySQL. Okay, so what if I want to write that command by my own? Okay, I will copy that command and I will paste it here. Okay, you can see that this command is executed. Here you can see uh, from dual it is only, we know that there is only one row and one column, or here it is showing the calculation of that. Okay, now we can directly write the command like select 7 multiply by 5, so it is worked like same. Okay, so both by both this I can perform the calculation by using select command also. Now what if I want to perform calculation in my existing table? Okay, now my existing table is this, and I want to perform that calculation. So what I will do, I will write select roll number comma class multiply 6, class multiply 6 as and here I am doing calculation, I am doing class because we know that class is an integer type, and I am multiplying class s by 6, and the result of that calculation will be stored in one new column. It is a only a dummy column. Okay, it is, so I will give some name dummy. Okay, so here I will write the command mm, as no, from student. Okay, from, okay student, initially there was error because I have written the student, but my table name was rep. So if I write the command select roll number column class into 6 as dummy from rep. So here you can see the one column is roll number and one column is dummy, and what will be the result for dummy? It is this class multiply 6, and in every case class is 12, and if I multiply by 6 always result will be 72. Okay, now one last command, the calculation can be performed as on user defined table also. Select name fees into 12 from student. Okay, so I will write the command in that fashion also. If I write the command in that way, you can see again it is giving the result. So if I modify that command, so I will write roll number multiply 6. Here you can see that okay, roll number is a spelling mistake. You have a very careful while you are writing a command, it should be correct. So here you can see that one column is roll number and second column is roll number multiplied by 6, and here the result of roll number multiplied by 6 is stored. This is how we can use the select command in my SQL. Thank you student, that's it for today, keep learning.